Yeah. You got the more.
So how it goes? A raw material scrap will go into a furnace, burn it, become a liquid, and then we pour into a mold. And when it cool down, we cut into these pieces. This is where we cut.
Nyonyo mana ngani ni nyonyo ngabir ko ba mana ngno ko yero prak mau na wa kan biar lo ko man biar da ko biar be jalu kiri ke wa ko ka do ni wala bir jar ni ya
Mắt em nó cái lia rồi, đó là que là kia.
We will use the machine. The machine.
ini ni eri kwere da kwere kra chet mana ko ruwa ko de machine di ko
And then we will cut.
di chal ilmona
Then they will cut into this like that.
kado di ro di bi ko man no rebi ka ngor no kwere bi ayo eri ka kwere
They will cook again. Cut something and then they will cut into
Mano che li
we heat again. It becomes melting, and then we use the machine to press it.
yeah.
No, the question is,
Yeah.
you depend on raw material which is scrap.
And we will mix
Now
up.
when the scrap gets finished up, where do you think you expect to get the other raw material? Because I'm sure in 10 years to come, there will be no scrap. The scrap will get finished up. Do you have other alternatives? No, wait first. Do you have other alternatives? No, this is my observation. Do you have other alternatives of raw material apart from scrap?
My friend, as long as not only scrap, as long as it's made of steel products, for example, this can be scrap. You understand? And construction materials, those buildings that are unused, we can build it up and then we can take the metals. As long as it's metals, it's a unused metals. Then we can build up with that, no problem.
No. My second question is, in a day, how many homes will you make?
In a day,
Manufactured, yeah.
4,000.
4,000.
About over 1,000 pieces. It depends on the electricity.
Now, actually in the market, the price of ore are getting higher. What does that one mean? Does it mean the production of ore manufacturing is low or what?
Maybe the market, the consumer need more holes than what we produce. The supply is not enough to accommodate the market. So that's why sometimes the price will be higher.
Yes, man.
And also, you need to take in consider the cost to manufacture.
Maybe it's about when you buy, maybe it's about when you buy. That's about 6,000. That's about when you buy. Then I require my kitchen square. You know the kitchen. When you go and you look at the kitchen down for the mother. Now, when you born, you know, you tomorrow. So, I get a puppy to what get my in anyway. What we're on the house room, what do you do with what you're away? So, you know, any two big a big car. You know, Open Mario, what will query? Tika don mar kian wai ginu ga wel ko tika don kwer ma gin ge yo ni param dan wai manu lara ti ye ga jim tika nar ne wel ko no bi me no wel ma tar mar era ga duan ri da tu wel dok pe ti kwer ma gin ge yo ni param dan wai.
Mine is like this. Game go be ni quality and you be very quiet my bear and you very quiet. My keep it talk about it la talk.
Now they're asking a question that how would you know that you are going to produce quality coal since all these products you are getting from the scraps are coming from all work?
We will do selection. Each kind of metals, they have different chemical composition. To make sure the quality, we will select the right product to mix together.
Oh, I didn't know you you very. But I kill you. I kill that you can't be far because you rack. magorna timba bene che mateke naga na ku mero ene ka ngi ni yu wa ngi ni mene ni mateke ene magorna
Let's go now to
Mani na no way ti do ke ben ben no you you ko you
Manganese.
Here, too much the carbon. Carbon is too high. If carbon is too high, then they easy to break. So put a magazine, it reduce the carbon, become
It
balance.
mixes with the carbon, so the products we manufacture will not easily
I'm
broken.
using
that
the
is done
stones,
through
our
eating,
stones that we were using
This is
to
done
make
through
steel.
heating of
The one from
We
Kabba
heat
material.
together the raw materials.
with
Like
the
mixing,
scraps.
we are mixing into the scrap.
In the scraps, okay? Eat it and it melts.
Yeah, it
After
melts.
melting, it will.
Mix together.
Put many medicine, put a silicone, put a magazine, put many medicine inside. And
Mix
some
again, so we mix again.
carbon powder.
Yeah, mix together.
We have to use the factory. So they bring it here. We still have to make
Yes. Then we are going to miss.
Yeah, we won't have time to pitch and ask for our
And the Kong the form and the Kong the chair. Come here. Watu wale kwa remember we will not take.
Yeah, this is Namkekera. Namkekera Agro Processing Industry Limited.
Ma ni kama kilo na Namkekera.
I'm calling Deborah Wamala, the protocol officer.
Ni kilo ni Deborah Wamala, protocol officer.
We have been waiting for you since morning.
Wano bere kuru ni chako deko.
Now, since you have arrived, this is the program we are going to take. Now we are going to begin with touring our projects. Then later on we shall come back here for more speeches with our general.
And entertainment
also will be here. Let me call Mr. Shio. He's going to lead you for the tour. This gentleman, Mr. Shio, Mr. Chitio Magala. Chitio Magala.
Yeah, Kilwani Magala. And I will be telling you what
projects here.
Weta one or to around and projects Matika.
And when we come back, we shall have exhibition. You'll see main projects, main products here.
Karang wadugo undo binano jimukana makiberga yubika enemy.
Yeah, I think let us give it to Mr.
Don't come and
God bless you.
tweet.
Your Highness the Katikiro of Wacholi.
The Prime Minister.
Koni Magala Chitio.
Anya Magala.
I kindly welcome you to Namkekera.
Amena Jolu, do you come to any?
I thank God for the way you passed through to reach here at Nabil. We have a big task to move. As they told you that I'm the one going to lead you to tour all the projects. We have more than 40 projects here. But I shall request the Highness Katikiro, at least if you have interest in some, so that we reach those ones. Now we have reached the center of maize. This is the factory which brought all these factories. I've told you the 40 factories. This is the mother. Jeno came here in 2000 and found us digging small gardens. People around were very poor. They could not even manage to buy meat every Saturday. So now people are assured of buying meat every day in the market, and even they know where to sell their maize at a good price. So here, this is the factory led by Mr. Kaiser Fred. is he started one man and he organized very many maize mills. Here now, flour, we transport it to Juba.
We know what I did there. Why ni? Ngat ma cha ko gine ni. Wala dit a chiel ke ken. Ento kumberi cha ndo don. O kama kumberi anyugi ma ke kero kan ka gen rego do ma. Ma wala do ngachara ke Juba.
Now after organizing the farmers, they are assured of getting good money in their maize here.
Yan gen ko kero fu wen ko kero ko kan chiel. Wero anyugi biuru kan ma duong. Che lu fu ma dong gen kero anyugi kan ni dong. Kiane a ke kan no do ko ki tiki chene chingi.
How much did the farmer get?
I'm assuring you, friends, that if you have a proposal and you table it before the general, very good one, the general himself has many friends. For him, he may not be having money, but connecting you to friends so that you boom.
Why ka che wuru tiki yuk ma megu ma be. Ma ka tiki gin ma wuru mero ke mone. Che nyuru eni bot Gerald Salim Saleh. En pere gi chente en dan tiki re ma bejo. Ma ramo la ko yub man ma wa taw ne wati mi bene. Kela la bot wa.
Now people are getting much money here. The general does not know even how much is getting. People are getting from here.
Why kumberi chana dan wa pol magiti gi kerjum gi kan gi no chen ma dit ma chene bene jero le ko be pengeyo chile adi ma jene gi tika nongone ento en penno gi mo ke ken ki kan
Very many words I wanted to tell you, but because
Can I also add
why kan professor why kan make con
that what I would particularly want you to observe is that all the industries you are going to see are managed by ordinary people. Yes. These are not philosophers, these are not graduates. So when you see them stumbling in our enemy's language, just know that there were people from anywhere who took on the responsibility and set up industries. Please explain.
o why ni gin me te why botu wunu ngeni ka che ko wunu ne ar manager be bir ka lok bir dar ma dor ka beren ti ka lok botu ke le bloka o ngeni en chuma mo be wor kana ne weng joma ke tere ene joma ariel ene pe joma ko kwano ma ke tigi degree ki romu ma do me kwane ko gen gi pe ye lukin gang me aria ene gen gi dor gini wa ka wunu lebgi ko ne pe gram lo ko en man ma ke lo ko lim le mo giri to ke re chwinyu pien lukin gang ti ka lo
You don't need a degree to run a factory. And you don't need to English to set up an industry. The Chinese don't speak English. The Japanese don't speak English. And this man doesn't speak English. But he runs this factory. The factory is supplying the army. It's supplying the police. It is supplying Sudan. And we have the capacity now to supply almost the whole of Central African countries. In fact, our main problem is the market. But there is money in maize. Except you have to process it. A kilo of maize from the farmer elsewhere, not here, because here the farmer gets more money. But a kilo of maize from the farmer like Mubende, they get 330 shillings. When it is processed, the person selling gets 2,000, sells for 2,000. So a bag which would give you 200,000, you sell it for 35,000. So when you are setting up industry, look at maize as a strategic industry, because the revenue, the profit from it is high, and it can help you set up other industries as well. But let me hand you over now to him.
Why do we need
Before he hands over to the manager, you know I told you we have very many words to talk here, only time. I'm assuring you, we thank a general of the way he thought of improving this maize. Here we have no shortage of food. People around have no shortage of food at all. And they are getting money, good money from maize. Another thing I wanted you to observe when we are moving around the factories. As the big man told you that factories does not need a degree to start. Kindly observe the materials used while setting up these factories. And you see whether they are of expensive whatever. Also you shall observe the tribes. Here we are not tribalistic. All tribes you will meet them. Chinese, the Arua people you shall meet them there. The Banyankole you shall meet them there. The Baganda, the Bateso, they are very many here. So all tribes. As Pastor Chiganda usually tells people that we serve one master. We need to love each other. So here we don't have any tribe or whatever.
Man matem te na ne mogo magera ne mukane dok biro tunka en machine
Bwana Kaiser, this is the man I told you Kaiser who started this maize from 2000.
Eno meru tu na wadu yeng arimo mano komepe ngatu chao chuma eni mwagali wario.
You can see
Kaiser.
He's not an educated man, but he knows how to work. And he's the senior now in the maize.
And Kaiser.
Even if you request the general to take this money to Acholi, he will do the same.
When you come Gong Jaluk, Ubin Botwamin, Wangi Kita Chow Quere, and any general Pequire.
This is the money now handles billions and billions. This one.
They did a Nedon Kumbeti, China Madon Maradon, O billion, Carobana, billion, and Chow Kai.
No, commute,
So we continue moving.
No, la fai non è. Capè? Ai a certo, ne che romo io puttana per.
Ate sigo singa yebe ya wansi. Ya singa yebe ya wansi mo mere yeko ku industry standard. Be ya wansi. Eno jakora ya industry standard eba ku be ya wansi.
Yen Cham ba yubo kay nano kay port wel magerani mege bitila pay.
By the way, even the maize that we saw, it is the cheapest maize in the country. I think they can do a kilo for like 1,200.
You know why wa nyogi chama nano chani. Ene wel betila pay lobe girom chato kila chen ele chen.
But ono kilo ya mere yenkoko lukumu bisatu na mwatano si? Lukumi bisatu watano.
Okay, gero wa anyway cham padle ki magi yobu kanye ali badak mia bicha ka.
Awara regular kumuru sana.
jomo kana gi charo aliba bear.
And for chicken feed, that difference is a lot of money.
Ka charo yin la gwak gweni, ka yin por wel mano yin wel kere. Chi no ni donya we magoba ni.
But again, you can see also this is a sister from the village.
Wunbe nano la meguni en ma dor kanye dan be me ken gan
He
kanye.
could be from any village in our kingdom.
Romo ben kari wa bot wa kuno rom ber mege mo mano tiegere ki ngej mano en
But
romo
she's
dor.
doing 7 tons.
En to tiga timo tana bear nyo kilo aliba bear ni ana chela chela.
And that's a lot of money.
En no chane maduong kayen nyayo aliba bear en no ni kilo aliba bear nya ke chilling aliba dek mia bi atamo chuor na ka oti wiwu mana jimi magen garom no ne ana chela.
Our concept of an industrial park is that you have space, and that's what I had asked the Prime Minister to appropriate space. And that space has got land where, say, if you want to do maize, you must have at least 2 square miles that supplies the maize for the factory outside buying from other people.
Antika waine ke ngej en yo der mon makumbe tikitika katikwere kan chuma mawuno nano ni meta ni ka wan mier wo chak de makini boto ya chole bi meta ni to ngomo mier betie yene la bole mier ngom kama kere chuma betie eno bene ngom kama ki furie jemi chala nyoge ge mano mier betka chala nyoge chuma mier betie olo square mile mo ma romo ario mo yo makaro eno mero ngom malalach.
Then when you put electricity and water, anybody who comes with an idea for an industry locates it there because there are all these amenities.
Piani donge na per tak bene ma ki pi no ge kelo wa ngar mo ka kan mano tikitam me yupu jem money dong no dong ni pi ki ma gine wang dong tie maram konye ti.
Plus all these industries feed into each other. For example, she needs maize bran, but we have a maize factory, so she can get bran from the maize bran.
Dog bene chuma ne ka wono nan ki rege ker ki kwere inoni jemi ma aki bola wardo tiyu kamone kan chalo wono nan wa kuja kama gi rege anyoge aya kan dog tika yupo bene ngo champa gweni kipale chido inoni jemi ma aki kuja mukane bion dog bene konyo kan chinoni chuma ne bene gi konyo ka kan gi kerki.
And the residue of the cob and other rubbish, we have a factory that makes charcoal, which you will see.
Waini en chua nyoge eni manodo unano ne pegi onyo gata dok tie chuma mukana tie magi yubu kere ngo maka man magi duai brekate ino tie chi eno bene futi chi noni polkar jimi matikanye petigi moma dong chalu yugi jimi weng tiyo chi ka kore dog you no mama konyo.
So now let her show us the ingredients she uses.
Endo binyutu jimi man. Maneni ukoro magigamo kingo kinam man ene antie ki gena gilwoni calcium mineral uberu mineral mo mano ko moje mo magena konyo en kai wai jima dio chogo dan ngolo sieni gen gitio kede kiyamo moje mejingo chogo gine gitio kede gene pama nik pama tie bana.
This is sunflower from Lidl.
Manene chong sunflower bana tie magi tio kede kan.
This is fish.
Man
Mukene.
Right, one kilo.
Yeah. This is mukene. The other one is eggshells. The other one is soya.
Soya.
This is wheat bland.
Manene wheat bland.
Ngamo.
Okay, wamede wono. Kati sakitio tika wachi unan mabe jo magitika tiji jemi en peni jo mokwano man jo me luta dero endo kita gu yupe kede kinge ma geno no kumbe giti ati jin na pata chieno lego gena chien ni ka otika wot ma otika wot eni ubet ki wang ma bet ubet neno jimi o wen kor pien ni ti jima peta ma ka che dong wa dok ingetua eni ma o chero karwata ki jeno sale uram ber kila peny mo gwak ma no ramo penye chien tika legu ni gina perte ubet wang abet ulero ngoma tamani
tumala be mixinga wamu tubiteeka mu kyuma ekyo ne tubikuba ne bimala okukubwa ne tuteeka mu mashini eri neetabula wamu nefulumya
jimi ma ene nyotu kuja ni oweng gibien gikero gi okany gipima mapapar ki size gi ka girubo oweng ka eni maber ci gikele machine eni rego ho ka urego gikwanyo gicher tuoyo maber madong katidong en cham
kati wali twetufulumiza bwetuuka wali bwemala okubeera next wali ebeera ready for consumption
waite ka do kardong dama tu kai ai ka papa wen me Uganda ni kikai che bako bi wachi wa ngoma tukatika
Fine. Yeah. So I can speak in the language or I speak in English so that he can hear.
No. Talk in English.
This one I will hear. Okay. Thank you very much to come. When I came alone, let him hear this one.
Speak in the language.
I've been ken nono, pingpe. Akin ken wacharu kugine koru along lamina in one to equity. So when I go is an expert ke watch ke look
Apo yo mada one bino kan one kilamego enemy gino pere no buri ruma che no luti wen wagam karwa wagam ki teder ento wanyoro ne watiki kwiri mone diwa ramo konyo wa okay konyo to wagin no ramo timo ti wa chako le boingino ore in no wen pe kan no wen bua ke kan puti piao ter ma ka che ma piao ter ma ka che ti wa jong ka che wan ne kere kombete be da ko be nena ka mo ken pe en atiki project to ka de kan mamira ring anendi en wa cha la bangino kai ti nechu mo diwi kin mi chono pin ngoma mi re team pe kwalo ni ring chet ka mo ke dir gine mi bola dite tet pero ni en kon en ke bin ni kwan i ring ke ki chane pe bi ka ka mo
Chak in Chak matija page be transparent.
Ndivyo lugha hii kwa nani? Mai la dinta jule.
Man la dita what nyara palore.
Wapana wana ke di Makari University. Wange parents game ki Christian Licha team.
First step of beekeeping, we start with making of beehives, local and the modern. The modern is put like this, you will see it there. Then the local one, you put them up. From here, that is how you harvest. From harvesting, and that is how you make you process it. When you process it, everything you use is here. After here, you label it. From labeling, you pack. Then the outcome of that comes candle. Then out of that, you can make wine out of honey. Wine, honey, candle.
This is where she's now making money, and that is what we do. Our candles are there, our honeys are there. Then from there, went for OD. I went and picked the raw materials at our place in Anaka. I bought them there. I started. When I started local, when Zeno went to China, he brought for me the machines. So the machines are all there. Everything is mechanized and modern. First, you start on your own and you show that you are able. Then the assistance comes.
But for you now, you are stationed here.
I'm stationed. I'm representing the Greater North.
Okay.
All of you come, I show you. When there is anything, we come together, we present to him, I back up you people. Yeah, example, if I do something wrong, I spoil the whole Greater North. That's why I said, Nyako, come. Let us be together. We started in a small house together. Only 3 of us, me, Nyako, and Robert. To date, we are together. Now Nyako has a branch. He's doing with the piggery, but still the mother is here.
I only know whatever house there are outside there.
Outside?
Yeah, the one that used to be outside.
Yeah, the other side. He has now migrated to be promoted here.
I can see.
Yeah.
Now, gentlemen, this boss asked a question. I wanted him first to answer the question as we answered, so that you can get the real information as we told you.
Okay, I was explaining to him that this area, about 5 square miles, initially belonged to General Saleh.
No T-Chalk square mile a beach, no Ngompa General Saleh.
But it had squatters.
And no Joe Mukana no Giberi, yeah.
Now, for most people, they look at squatters as a liability.
Jomukana, Genkago Nano, Jomoti Ngomi, Kachala Boto Kuyo, Rebian Kariama, outing on Makari begin no pay, and General Sale Ponano Johnny, Yo Makumano, and Olago Johnny, Menan, keep you a Romati quite game at Dong area in.
But General Saleh and I practice a form of economics called humanomics.
Again, Gitamani, kit me
economics with the human face. Business with the human face.
Kit yo me nani ikerulonyo iching dano. Gen pe dok gitero yo machalo biashara mukana nano kwere ni magoba ke kan ento gitam pitano ni umiere ti biashara ento nan dana e gina perata.
So if you set up an industry, then the people can produce for it and get enough money, so you don't have to look at them now as a liability because they are producing for the factory, they are benefiting, and you the owner of the land is benefiting.
Doc Bennett, kadong in a car chala factory and no ma anu magin to one nane. Johnny enu ni mano kiti ngomini dongi romo chako teach me yupo jeme ma kachala fura nyoge ma dong ngo gendong ge chwali factory ma megeni kadien bene fur mo end again chino ni ngo supply ma wego ne chumani cha duju no berki gene kangwe tiani no kodi gera nyoge tika bino nyo jema pat no tika bino.
A casual worker here earns 10,000 a day.
When he can, la tiparacha, ma ite der, matiuka ene, no alibapa ne ankeneno. Leja, lutit leja, kangi no alibapa ne ankeneno.
I will never forget one day when a man brought a huge box of tomatoes, and then he saw a new machine that we had brought to process tomato juice.
And why in Nermo, Gena Chel, Mapuya Poppy Wheel, and Nermo la Cho Mo Bino, Motio Box Chel, Kinyanya, Chicarano, Gikil Bene, machine, Mebino, Gena Nyanya.
And he looked at the machine, he says, no. You people, you just increase the machine. This will not be enough. He already knew what he wanted. He didn't want anything else. He just wanted to increase the machine because he wants to sell more tomatoes and then get more money.
Yani madong endo biro bot ki Kenya don na machine eno ni wa wonu met kero. Yani dong endo ngat taka dong na ko mer wa andong na chal dong katiche dong tikai. Wa dachi dong nyanya mapol wa beta kili de chumani.
And African people, we have surrendered the thirst for industries. We think it is not ours, it belongs to somebody else.
Wagena pero wachel wachalo Africa nyo Uganda kan don wajalo lok me chuma watamni wigi chuma jomukana nyo go tara ge nyo yini nyo joma pat endo wan ka kano pe nene wan ben orong biru ki chuma.
But these women that you saw and this man in a suit that you see here have demystified industry. They have said, look at us. We are from the community. We have set up industries. Now what about you who have degrees and who are princes and who are clan leaders? What about you?
Chidong eno wa ini le bole don kumbe tigina tika timeka eni ka wono na no Johnny Weng. Unoni po dano bet kitami chuma pa jomone ke kan nyo lonyo mone nyo yini nyo ngo ende wa jome ite der I ramu ber ki chuma ma ber tiu no ber lonyo chigine eno ne ene gira chel ma tamani wan pe wa jalle wono miero kerwu wani wan bene waram ber ki chuma dok bene waram ngo yelo kwawa kama papat kama wa.
Let me also say, when we finish, from now we are going to the juice. We are going to see a juice factory, and when we finish, then we are going to sit and we are going to listen to you. You know, tell us what you have, what you have in mind, or what you want, to happen in your kingdom.
Tiro ngano waini kawano tio kan, doke bichwale wada kana factory mukana kama gibe juice. Chi kawa kikuno chi wa doctor wa beru pin and wunu wot luodu tam wun machalu jome ke kwara choy wot luodu wot tam kiu ke kan ngoma wunu tam ni bewe katwer ge timbe ne ya chuli wa mi kero chi ene jimi ma ene tikata merne wunu betal luodu no wot tam kunu nano wot tam.
But I want to add this, and this I am going to say in secret to you. You don't tell anybody that I have said.
Ni mana be what you mong mo, and a poacher bore could marry you.
When we sit there to listen to you, we want you to speak with one voice.
Ni ka wan wa chair inge what wa any when ka don wa chair don no be pain wa don lojo tam. Gena chelma ene lew ke botwa ene wo lok wo bedu ngo wo logo ke duana chel.
First caucus amongst yourself, work out your interest. Me and your prime minister and my sister, that one, me and her go back Lawoko. We go back a long time.
Over 30 years.
Over 30 years.
Ene nge wini la wa John prime minister ben ene nge John John ene chi ene merne kawan wo gena bedu ne kinwa loju tam wo ko kat kitwana chi.
Although I am a professor, but me, the best teaching is not a lecture, it's an example.
Ene wa ene kare ene ber kidar mai kwano ma dong nge kai de ti professor te lokane dong indong itiki ngej ma dong tie la mal ma dong papata dong tie e der mon chi ento en kita ene neno kwere en professor nene peme puony ke kan yo chero ka puony university yo ka gere endo tamne tiche mabe omiere yut der ne mad wat teach wat dano nan.
I want industries in your kingdom owned by your kingdom.
Ene merne ka che chuma tie yo jimu kan tie mabire ya choli machal ke kwaro ubet chuma ya choli matite ke kwara choli.
But you have to show one that you have capacity to manage.
Endo miero nyot ne utiki kero me nano ni jimini ka o botu romo nano ne utiyo kere mabe.
Two, that's what you want, because it's not what I want. Me, I am just a member of a small member of the kingdom.
Jimmy eno ni beno miero Jimmy mano wun kikenu no tiki miri metimo ne pedok ni o ngar mo ne okelo endo Jimmy ma yani ka ginu mo tie ma ine ne mero chi te lo kane karo kana bene keru ni nyomirni me gwako ne nyome tikere ma be beru ma be.
So caucus work out something, then present it with one voice.
Ni wote nyama lo kinu ribu dogu ka chel we kado tika me no ngechi erone yani kamano we gore ne wundu ju we no ti ngo ka loke duana chel.
Then these men that you see, these are experts. This man, he can set up a factory that makes juice, tomato juice, mango, kagogwa, this ordinary juice with his eyes closed. He might not speak fluent English, but he speaks fluent machine.
Waine ka wono kati don kitami anu ni lo der don tie kan wundo cher nan ki wangu joma ti jemi eni. Keta na na wa pene joma kwan ma bod twal ki ngo ento nge dero madong geno puonyo tamo pikonyu mata chigen bene giti ki mire ni kache wan wo bitamo jimi ngoma mo tim do dero dong ti kan bod kan now jome anyobe kenyo jome ki jome gena mayu champale gen tie kenyo